So I'm down at Booterstown now, down at the station. So like in Williamstown and Blackrock, you have this kind of platform area here for sunbathing, well, observing the beautiful bay we have here. But yeah, on a good day you can. It is a busy little area. It's got a couple of steps here, takes you over the railway line, which we're not going over today. And the station was featured, an artist, I'll have to put the link in, on the cover of A Day Without Me by U2. And let me think, was that 1981? Yeah, I think it's 1981. So it was featured in that. So there you go, graffiti everywhere, unfortunately. It's absolutely appalling. Wherever you go, there's graffiti. It's just desecrates everything. We're all right along here. So sad to see. Yeah, this is the blot on the landscape. This bridge here, it takes away from the aesthetic of the station. They're being built all along the line. They're currently building one down in Dalkey. And yep. I don't know is there a other way they could do it? See, look, it's just tons of graffiti. It's just absolutely diabolical. So as I said, it was January 1835 the station was open, and during rationalisation the station was closed in 1960. So you left Western Row, first station to us. My late father would have still called the Western Row right up to his death in 2011. And then you had Lansdowne Road, it was only open for match days. And then the next stop was Blackrock. So even Sydney Parade was closed, which is unimaginable now. Even Booterstown being closed is unimaginable now. I mean, it was a different world back then, 60 years ago. The rolling stock. I mean, people weren't using the railways. And I remember pre-dart times, they were just antiquated stock from the 50s. Apparently there was even one Edwardian coach doing the rounds on the network. So there you go. This wall you can see here, that was built up during the dart times, and you'll see the original capped wall there, again full of graffiti. But what can you do? It needs to be addressed, but it's everywhere. But I think this wall, again, this seawall is just so majestic, such a feat of engineering to build this nearly 200 years ago. So you would have had back there, it's Booterstown station is fairly unique because it's built on reclaimed land. Like all this line here, it's all reclaimed land. The sea went right up to Rock Road and went right down to Rock Road, Williamstown, where I was earlier. I did a video. There's a wall there where the sea would have come up to. So we're heading down towards Marion Station. And it's a lovely walk along here, especially today. It's very spring-like. It's a lovely day. There's different types of rock to use here. Looks like slate. But we're lucky to have this good weather today. Okay, I'll sign off, and please hit the subscribe button. Feel free to make a donation, and I'll catch you all again soon. Take care.